Hi, everyone. This is Jackie Cooper, and I am with the Blockchain Legal Institute, and I am the CEO. I'm very excited to be sharing with you today the centralized library, which is what the Blockchain Legal Institute is. I would like to share this information so that way you, as lawyers, or as business owners, or as consultants, or as accountants, or even as students, all different levels, you will understand the tools and the variety of resources that are available at the Blockchain Legal Institute. I created this and my team created this for you so that way you can have an understanding of what's happening within this decentralized space. My background is that I am a lawyer, I'm an attorney, as well as an educator, and I believe that tools are critical for the success of your business and also of your personal investment. Now, I do want to mention that these tools and what I'm sharing with you, nothing within this platform is legal advice, investment advice, or financial advice. You must do your own research. And the Blockchain Legal Institute actually was created so you can actually do your own research and understand the variety of tools. I've been in this space, depending upon when you hear this video, for almost 7 years. My background did not start out in blockchain. I started out in the legal space, working with in the healthcare area, in the nonprofit area, and then I navigated over to the education space as a special education teacher. I'm nationally board certified, and I have a master's and a variety of other degrees. That doesn't matter. But what I am sharing with you is that resources are very important, both for your career development and your skill development. And just as I have been a career changer in this area and learning about new innovative technologies such as blockchain, this is a platform that's designed for you as an adult learner throughout your entire life. So let's give a tour and let's see where we're going, because there is so much happening around the world that I want to make sure you know where to go so you can stay always informed. So the Blockchain Legal Institute actually is also constantly evolving. If you take a look at the various verticals, there is a news vertical where there's a newsroom, which is where I might be interviewed or my team might be interviewed. We have a newsletter that we publish about every 6 weeks, depending upon what's going on with the team. We also have a daily newsletter, news feed rather, and that is updated daily. Now I'm going to move this over so that way you can see a little bit better. And actually, I'll just kind of expand this. We have a CLE and a continuing legal education and continuing education and professional development vertical. There are a lot of classes that have been added and are about to be added. You can have classes that are for you as attorneys, continuing legal education classes, or you as just adult learners who are learning about different skill sets. So again, I would recommend that you go over to this. It is constantly being updated. We also have a vertical for artificial intelligence. And again, this space is a hot space right now, and there's a lot going on with its application. I am a Bitcoin miner, and I'm also a node owner, and this is a space for the Bitcoin family of businesses, individuals. A lot of this whole space, the vertical is also evolving and expanding. Ethereum. Ethereum has many different protocols built upon it. And so this is, again, a vertical that is expanding, and you'll see a lot more coming here. Blockchain use cases. Within our community, within our business, there are many applications that the blockchain can use. And as I learn about them, whether it's in real estate, healthcare, telecom, the food industry, this is where the business use cases will be placed. Now, in the United States and around the world, the laws are changing ever so fast. And there's a lot of different opinions as to what the definitions are within cryptocurrency, how should you protect privacy within artificial intelligence, you name it. So what we're doing here within this vertical is we have all the states listed with the evolving pages for their case law, their decisions, their legislation, and that type of thing. And we also have economic zones. So the Catawba Digital Economic Zone is also listed here. And then even around the world, We have a variety of countries. It will end up being all 193 countries plus the economic zones within this space in terms of the laws, the legislation, the policies. This is an evolving institute, and the library, think of it as the Wikipedia blockchain. There is going to be more and more information placed on it. I also want to share that this institute was launched. The idea was generated in May of 2023. My team and I did a 2-month hackathon, and in July of 2023, the Blockchain Legal Institute was launched. So this is, if depending upon when you are coming onto the space, you're going to see this changing and evolving. I am the media ambassador for the Global Blockchain Business Council, and honored to be a part of that. I'm also the the Government Blockchain Association talk show host, and I'm also working with the Legal Working Group, and right now I'm one of the co-chairs of that. There is a vertical of for attorneys and CPAs and others in the financial world. If you are looking to develop a blockchain legal practice, or you are consulting in this area, that's why I also designed this, because the Blockchain Legal Institute is to help new lawyers, seasoned lawyers, as well as those that are in the space just learning to navigate what all the topics are and the resources available. This is a subscription-based platform, but there are some free areas where you can explore. We also have on the top vertical here, we have a leadership vertical, and that's where we have our honorary advisory committee. I would ask that you go and you explore. I will click in there a different time and show you all the wonderful people who are advising the Blockchain Legal Institute from around the world. The Blockchain Legal Institute also has a consulting group. So if you need assistance business-wise in consulting on a variety of ways to develop your business within the blockchain space or artificial intelligence space, reach out. I will connect you with some of our experts in this area. If you are a woman and would like to be added to our speaker bureau, I know that there are many events around the world that are looking for your talents. So definitely join as a free member and add your background to the speaker bureau. As I mentioned, there are events around the world. One of the events that we are doing that I will be talking about throughout our conversation is we have 3 events. We have 2 global virtual events in March and October, and we also have an annual cruise, the Crypto Blockchain DeFi Conversation Cruise. The cruise this year is happening in November, and it's going to the Caribbean. So definitely click on this vertical and learn more, and I will be sharing more in a different video. Membership. We are a membership based, and I will go over to the join section in just a second, but we have many partners who are working with us, from governments to universities. And we also have contributors from around the world. And also, as part of your membership, you have different perks. In addition, we believe in giving back. So we are supporting the Anti-Human Trafficking Intelligence Initiative, and we are also starting to work with other nonprofit organizations around the world that are also involved with protecting the oceans and the climate. Interns, we are always looking for interns. You can join our intern cohort. We have legal interns as well as university interns, and we design the internship based upon your special interests. So definitely reach out to us. Again, we are we would plan to have 2 different awards this year, the BLI Skylight Award and the BLI Influencer Award. So that is a quick overview, but I'm going to scroll on down. There are many reasons why you should join the Institute. It's because of the fact that you're going to be understanding more about blockchain law. You can market your business within our various events as well as media, because we do talk shows and we have blogs. And then you also will be networking with others within the industry, so that way you can actually increase your professional development and knowledge base. As I am showing you here, we have our global broadcast summit that we hosted in October of 2023. We're the premier of Bermuda. was our keynote speaker. We are in the process of gathering information for and speakers and sponsors for our next event, which is in March. And I can suggest that you click on over here to this link, so that way you can learn more about the 3 panels that we will be hosting, both on blockchain law, real world assets within blockchain, and the blockchain and how it's impacting the financial world, DeFi, and traditional banking and economic zones. Now, the BLI partners, you will see when you scroll down that we are working with many individuals and many different types of businesses. I did speak at the Bermuda Tech Summit about fintech and fairy tales because I'm the author of the Bitcoin Cinderella Adventure series and a number of other books. And Bermuda is very much a sandbox and a partner in what we're doing on a variety of our projects. I'm also involved with a very in-depth research project to help understand our court systems in terms of the resources that they're using. And I'm very excited to be able to share that out in September of this year, so that way we can provide what our courts need. We're a partner with the University of Wyoming and GBBC. And then these are just some of the topics from the last broadcast: EU law on crypto and AI economy, blockchain for social good, and finance and commercialization. So as you can see, there has been a lot that has happened in a very short time within the Blockchain Legal Institute. Again, I would suggest that you check out the Blockchain Legal Institute and that you go to the join area. Again, as a member of the join area, you will find the annual membership is very affordable. You are going to be able to join with a range of support from the student level at $49 to the business level of $349. We do have scholarships available for those that are in need. Again, I would suggest that you go over to the Blockchain Legal Institute, navigate the various verticals, understand how we can help you. And if there is something on our vertical that you still need information on, reach out to us. This is an evolving library, and we look forward to helping you navigate and understand more about what you are doing. So again, thank you so much for being part of the Blockchain Legal Institute's family. We look forward to seeing you on our cruise or within our virtual summit, or reach out to us. We are here to help and to consult and to support you in your educational journey around the world in the blockchain space. Have a great day. Thank you.